Once we have secured all the aluminum profile parts in the fixture at this workstation, we press the start button. The machine begins moving to the left toward the center area, and then the workhead assembles the aluminum profiles. When the fixture reaches the fixed position, a safety distance must be maintained between the drilling head and the screw tightening head to prevent collisions. Therefore, during operation, the drilling head performs drilling on the aluminum profiles first. After approximately 6 units are completed, the screw tightening head will then begin its operation. The machine is equipped with one drilling head and one screw assembly head on the left side, and one drilling head and one screw assembly head on the right side. In total, 4 working heads operate simultaneously. To ensure effective cooling and chip removal during machining, thereby extending the service life of the drill bits, a circulating water cooling system is installed on both the left and right sides of the machine. While the working heads in the central area are performing assembly on the aluminum profiles, the operator at the left workstation can simultaneously load new aluminum profile parts. This parallel operation reduces waiting time and improves overall production efficiency. After the drilling head completes all its tasks, it will enter a standby state and wait until the screw assembly head finishes its operation. After all working heads on both sides have completed their tasks, they will automatically return to their initial positions. Next, the machine enters a standby state, waiting for the operator to perform the next step. The machine waits for the operator to place all aluminum profiles at the left workstation into the fixture. After confirming that the placement is complete, press the left start button. The fixture will automatically clamp the aluminum profiles and move to the central area for assembly. After pressing the start button, the fixture automatically clamps the aluminum profile parts and moves them to the central area for assembly. At the same time, the assembled aluminum profiles are transferred to the right workstation. The operator can remove the finished products at the right workstation and load new aluminum profile parts, enabling continuous operation. At this stage, the drilling head and the screw assembly head will continue processing and assembling the parts. To improve processing efficiency, both the drilling head and the screw assembly head are designed for dual head simultaneous operation. The 2 drill bits on the drilling head can perform drilling at the same time, and the 2 nozzles on the screw assembly head can also operate simultaneously, thereby increasing overall production speed. To accommodate the assembly of smaller guardrail sizes, the working cantilever can move forward to enable processing of smaller products. The machine supports a maximum assembly width of 1.5 meters and a minimum width of 1 meter, with a maximum product length of up to 3 meters. This machine is a customized model, specifically designed and developed according to the customer's requirements. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us anytime at www.jhymiz.com.